let's simplify the following: 4x raised to the power minus 2 and 4x all raised to the power of minus 2. Now there's a difference between these two questions, and we'll see why they are different. Solution. The first one, we have 4x raised to the power minus 2. Here, the minus 2 power is on this x alone. So, to simplify this, we have 4, split it out first, times x raised to the power minus 2. And this becomes equal to 4 times x raised to the power minus 2, negative power, in law of indices can be simplified as 1 over x raised to the power 2. Now here we can multiply it back. This gives us 4 over x raised to the power 2, and this gives us the simplified form for this question. The second one, we have 4x all raised to the power of minus 2. Here, the minus 2 power is on everything, both the 4 and the x. But here, it's only on, the minus 2 power is only on x. So to solve this, law of negative power, we have 1 over 4x, everything, all raised to the power of 2, which is equal to 1 over, when you are multiplying, we have expressions multiplying each other in the brackets and a power outside. This is the same thing as having 4 raised to the power 2 times x raised to the power 2. And this becomes 1 over 4 raised to the power 2, that means 4 times 4, 16, times x raised to the power 2. It becomes equal to 1 over 16x squared. And that's how to solve the expression. Thank you.